Oh my god, it's gonna spin that. So you hitting the sides. Whoa. Right, look at this. So it said 15 minutes left, but I tried to turn off extra rents, and now apparently it's an hour and 11. These are so glitchy. It's unreal. Bet they'll spin. It'll probably just spin like that. These are so glitchy, like I tell you. It allows you to add two options. Like, say if I added like extra rinse and press start, if you press the options, it allows you to have like hygiene. It's so weird. This is such a weird washer, like. Wonder if it'll cancel spin, like, no, it actually doesn't, it actually rebalances. Unlike the POS hoover link. Ah, yes, spin that. I probably will spin that one too. But like, I'm mind blown. There's no way that it's spending an hour and 9 minutes on flipping rinses. And it's on level 1. Yeah, spin that. Oh wow, it's pretty much even more balanced. Take it that this is just a 400 RPM interm. 3 points in the floor, but off the washer, shave points in the floor. This is amazing drawer quality. Like it doesn't even. You have to like pull it sideways just to get the damn thing out. It's so badly designed. That's even worse. And of course, as you know, you still can't open the door with the drawer. It's alright, but I don't mind the programming of it. It's just a bit glitchy, as you can see. Hopefully it'll re-correct itself once it gets to rinses. It keeps the pump on, unlike the other ones. I think that's might be me going now. Beastie 400 RPM in terms. Wow. Who doesn't want the 400 RPM in term spin? See, Cotton 59. I was using it earlier. It didn't even do any in term spins. Yeah, you heard me, it didn't do any. And like the rinses on it, like it does one tumble and drains. Like once it's filled up. And I thought the Beko's daily quick rinses with 4 tumbles were bad. Looks like I was wrong. Right, please correct yourself. If it doesn't, I'm gonna scream. Sure to God it has to. It just has to. No, why would it? That's candy, it's a POS. It still hasn't changed the goddamn thing. See, look, it's copying its siblings. I can't lie, I actually do like that shock absorber sound. I quite like it. Even though it's 8 kilo, it's got the 9 kilo drum in it. I might spend like that if like 1,000. I'm still not happy about the fact that it hasn't changed that time. Cause I could be leaving early. And then like, and if my parents are like, alright, how long's left on the washer? And I say, oh, it's got an hour and 2 minutes left. Yeah. Wow. Nice quality signs. I wonder if I'll keep that or if I'll just redistribute. I might just redistribute. No. Okay, we'll spend that to like 800 or 500. Listen to the shock absorbers. Good God. Don't get me wrong, it's no right washer, but I'm not keen on it. Not keen on. I never really was keen on candy. I feel like the more I'm using it, the more I'm being put off. Like I quite liked it at the start, but like, it took off 10 minutes and now it's added on 25. So I'm a bit fuming about that. It's so glitchy, it's unreal. Like the buttons aren't glitchy. Like the buttons work completely fine. It's like just the PCB itself that's glitchy, like it's getting really confused all the time. If somebody comes in, I'll just stop recording. I'm still fuming about it. I bet that the softener, it's got water in the softener compartment, and I bet you that they'll take it in on the next rinse. I'll be fuming if it does. It's so annoying if it does that. So you see, it does do 1,000 RPM in terms. Might do 1,200 this one. Nah, just 1,000. It doesn't turn the pump off and on or anything like that. It keeps it on throughout, even whenever balancing. I bet you that they'll take in the softener on this rinse and I'll be fuming. I bet you. In fact, I might as well. Right, I'm gonna stop this now. It's not taking it in yet, thank God. I just got a feeling that it's gonna take it all in. Does it take it in? No, it's not. It's like that because the water's hard. It's got hard water. Still an R, which is a pain in the ass. As you can see. No, thank God. I didn't even turn on the light. So, yeah, I think it hasn't taken it. Right, third interim spin, apparently 56 minutes left. I think that the next rinse is the final rinse. It's on cotton 60, by the way. Next time in mock, I'm gonna try and do a full load in it. I mean, it's not that bad, it's just not for me. Honestly, I prefer Beko. The load sensing's good, like, by the times that. But the programming isn't great. I'm not keen on the programming at all. It's very cheap. The drawer feels quite flimsy. The door isn't bad, like the door doesn't creak at all in like the hoover thing, even though it's the exact same door. And it's actually quite responsive, considering it's hoover. I mean, look, it's candy, but you get what I mean. If I call it a hoover, you know what I mean. Because as you know, it's just the same company. I'm used to calling them hoover. And then like it's got the exact hoover door, I mean it doesn't have the hoover logo on it. I'll probably spin that to about 1,000. It does 1,000 RPM in terms. See the way that the pump stays on, it doesn't turn off at all. I was expecting it to like turn off and turn on, turn off, turn on, but it just keeps it on throughout the entire spin. Thankfully, as I can't even remember if I recorded it, thankfully it hasn't taken the softener, so I'm very thankful about that. Hopefully the next rinse should be the final one. I don't think it shouldn't do 4 rinses.